Bitcoin money in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which all things considered, is very huge. BCH USD exchanges close $105.79, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. BCH USD pair exchanging underneath a MA, which essentially is genuinely critical. The exceptionally current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $69,462,634 in an unobtrusive manner. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to answer these. Much of the time generally got clarification on some pressing issues. What in a real sense is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Basically is BCH a very wise speculation, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging kind of profound into the BCH specialized examination, basically let us especially discuss the truly current economic situation, which truly shows that BCH USD exchanges close $105.79 in a huge way. Market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016, or so they basically thought. The truly absolute exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $28,914,442,597, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an every practical sense significant way, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a value lessening of 0.37% coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span, which generally is genuinely huge. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere around 9.41 and right now exchanging at 51 cents, which generally is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some pressing issues. What especially is genuinely transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, especially is BCH an especially wise venture, which generally is very critical. Right now, an extremely broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Support especially is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more most certainly dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which dealers explicitly become move sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money value investigation BCH cost examination for the 14th of June 2023 inside a kind of everyday time period especially made sense of underneath, which generally is very critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving especially normal to basically dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money, showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the BCH specialized examination, really let us in a real sense discuss the all things considered current economic situations, which in a real sense shows that BCH USD exchanges close $105.79, which essentially is genuinely huge, while BCH's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange fundamentally signal sort of is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The very relative strength record shows that the BCH coin certainly is an oversold stage, as RSI really is at 25, exhibiting how market examination over the very last 24 hours. There by and large was a destruction of 1.84%. bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016, which in every practical sense is very huge. The primary help level for Bitcoin money truly is at $103.42, while the genuinely second one really is at $97.18. Fundamentally further appearance how while BCH's Williams %R marker generally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign essentially is truly conceivable at this reach in an extremely huge manner. While taking about opposition, the BCH for the most part has R1 and R2 at $114.47, $119.28 individually, showing how right now, a very broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which really is genuinely huge. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, so the MACD line really is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money financial backers need to, in every practical sense, hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day diagram, which generally shows that the essentially complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $28,914,442,597 in an especially huge manner. Ends from the specialized examination. The very by and large pattern of the Bitcoin money for the most part is as yet negative, be that as it may. The value activity could explicitly shows an endeavor a bullish decently inversion with its bullish inundating light example, or so they basically thought. Hence, assuming that BCH figures out how to generally remain above $103.42, it can generally give a magnificent genuinely lengthy chance for BCH community, which in a real sense shows what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, or so they especially thought.